Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make this beautiful rose bouquet at home. For that, take a tissue paper, fold it, make multiple folds, flip it and make more such patterns and put all of them one after another like this and fold it. Then we are going to make a 3-3 pattern like this. Remove the mask strip as we are doing here and tie it at the center. Then remove all the petals. We are making a rose here and look, it is ready. Curl its end using toothpick like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. After that, we are going to brush it like here we are doing. You can use any color you like, and look, it is ready. Next, we are making a rose flower again, but in a different way. For that, you have to take a red craft paper, fold it from one end and roll it as we are doing here. Look how we are rolling it. Tilt it downwards and then again roll it and make a pattern like this. Then we are going to take a green craft paper and roll it around the red one, and then look, it is ready. Make more such shapes and put all of them in a bouquet, and look how beautiful this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.